how to add Peaq network to Metamask. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply search for chain list, then open it up, and this is where it will take you. Now search for Peaq over here, and you would see this option. Simply click on add to Metamask in order to add it. And you can also confirm this information by checking out the official Peaq's documents, and over here you can see that the chain ID is 333 and 8, and you can see the chain ID is 3338 and it is correct. And you can also check out the RPC, the correct one, the quicknode3.peaq, and you can see that quicknode.peaq.xyz is the RPC, so it is the correct one. So simply click on add to Metamask, and this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.